and Yuri Z. Bertusio.
The highest praise is for the Lord. A blessed day to all of us. Distinguished guests, Board of Trustees, Honorable Guest Speaker, Mayor Church Augusto Ayan, teachers, parents, and fellow learners. Today is the day to harvest the fruit from our journey from our preschool stage. First, let's look back before how you see me standing in front of you today. How do I owe the people who molded me to be me? A Bible verse states in Ephesians chapter 6 verse 1 to 3. Obey and honor your parents so that it may go well with you and that you may enjoy long life on earth. Raised by my parents as a responsible kid, allowed to use gadget in a limited time to search in Google my favorite topics. Play with them maze, puzzles, trivias, and handbook readings. Consuming a loving family time. Study is not just reading and writing, moreover, it is enjoying and discovering via my second parents, my teachers. I thank you for the patience, love, and dedication you spend for us. Like for our rights team, Filipino youth, building a stronger future for a new Philippines. Never be afraid to make a leap when the foundation is strong. The rest will follow. We may just be kids, but these foundations root to us in HCLII are sturdy as we enter the primary level eventually. Thank you for the experience and education, laughter, and bonding. You have humble heart and a proud mind. My sincerest gratitude to the right road we are walking through. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Den. Yung kaba ni Mami Madel at ni SG, dalahan ng dito. So, sobrang kaba ng